welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a detailed eyelash extension tutorial, but before we get started, I'm going to need you to pause the video right here, and if you don't want to do it, don't worry, I got you. I'll do it for you. I'm going to need you to go below and click the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you're liking it so far. I want to give a shout out to my girl Diamond for allowing me to record this appointment. I've also added subtitles in the video so that you'll see a description of all the materials and tools that I'm using. Anyway, I won't hold you any longer. We're just going to get started right here. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for my next video.
Couldn't we go for each other? I won't put no one above you. I won't put no one in front of you. We go for each other. I won't put no one above you. Like look all around you. Damn, I'm so lucky I found you. Let me take it up on you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Try something new with you. I'm gonna chase you. 'Cause I want to. Make the space for you, and you rearrange when I need you to. Look at how far we got, I would've never thought. Look all around you, lucky I found you. Look how you made your way, wasn't it worth the wait? Look all around you, lucky I found you. Let me take it up on you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Try something new with you. I'm gonna trust you. 'Cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. Make the space for you, and you rearrange when I need I found you. Look how you made your way. Wasn't it worth the wait? Look all around you. Lucky I found you. Let me take it up on you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Try you something new with you. I'm gonna trust you 'cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. Good and we good for each other. I won't put no one above you. I won't put no one in front of you. We good for each other. I won't put no one above you. Like look all around you. Damn, I'm so lucky I found you. Let me take it up on you. I'm gonna love you. I'm gonna love you. Try you something new with you. I'm gonna trust you 'cause I want to. 'Cause I want to. I don't have to, but I want to. Trust, do you trust? Trust, can you trust me? Like really trust me? One more time. Make the space for you.